Maititi is offered a public apology kuna Shingi Ziwangejere uyo akanga avarova nelosutu ya 100,000 kana vachinge varamba kuapologiza ari kuti iye it was defamation of character uye akavatuka pa Facebook pavo. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Pamwe unenge wakangozvigarira uchimainda business rako munhu okuvinga okuataka iwe ukaresponda ubva wanze haundizivi kuti ndini ani. Maititi vakabva vangotora post yakaiswa nemudzimai uya ndokubva vaisa pa Facebook vachibva vati ivo pane mukadzi anonzi Shingi Ziwangejere ari kundi ataka mukanzwa kuti pane chakaipa chandiwira zivai kuti ndishingi uyu ari kuti ari highly connected ku vanhu vepamusoro uye hazvimutoreri chero nguva kundipfuudza. So ndo mashoko akaiswa naMaititi aya. Remember, we just paraphrased. So akabva anyora iye tsamba yake ichienda kuna vamuvhami lawyer raMaititi. Akanyora iye ndokuti because wakaita defamation of character ndinoda kuti uise a public apology uchikumbira regerero pane zvese zvawakataura nezvezita rangu. Vakanyora zvakawandisa guys, kungoti zvinhu zvacho zvakanzi clause what act of constitution 52 zvinhu zvacho ndozviziya here zvechirungu, asi nyaya yaingoti apologize ukakonewa kudaro uchabva wabhadhariswa 100,000 failure of which unodzokera mujere. So Maititi vabva vanyora zvava apology yavo asi vatanga nekuexplaina kuti pamwe pacho vedwe unongoatakwa unyerere wotoshaya kuti ko zvinhu zvacho zviri kubva nekupi. We are going to go through the apology iyanzi iyo. I would like to offer my deepest and most sincere apology to Honorable Farai Jere and his wife, Mrs. Shingi Ziwangejere, for the posts made on social media regarding you. I regret the hurt and distress caused and take full responsibility for my actions. It was never my intention to bring harm or disrespect. I acknowledge the damage done. Please accept this apology with a genuine remorse. So ndo apology yabva kuna Maititi iyi ichienda kuna Vajere. Hey guys, zvakatooma. So before she apologized, she explained nekuti vanhu vakawanda vanga vakangomirira kunzwa kuti kunyaya yelosutu iyi iri kufamba sei. Maititi vanga vamboti encourage kuti titenge mafuta guys, ngatitengei mafuta asi vazogona kuexplaina. Nhasi ndokuti hello everyone, I am grateful for the love and support you consistently show me regardless of the circumstances. Since joining Facebook, I have formed friendships and encountered individuals with whom I have disagreements. I have always strived to stand up for myself without relying on others to defend me. Although I appreciate that some individuals will still choose to support me without being asked, I have never created a fake account or utilized a ghost account to attack anyone, as I believe in expressing myself directly and honestly. However, when I respond to someone who has initially attacked me, I am often perceived as being in the wrong. I have attempted to maintain a low profile and focus on my own affairs, yet I continue to be targeted from all sides. As a strong and resilient individual, I have reached a breaking point where I feel that I am fighting a losing battle. I would like to extend my gratitude to each and every one of you who has supported me or defended me, but I kindly request that you refrain from doing so in the future. If you witness someone insulting me or making derogatory remarks about me, I ask that you do not retaliate. I appreciate your concern and care, but your actions, although well-intentioned, can ultimately cause more harm than good. I am willing to accept that there are certain conflicts that cannot be won. I often wonder what I have done to provoke such behavior, but I recognize that some individuals will fabricate reasons to criticize me. While I have garnered a following, I do not have ownership or control over anyone on social media. It is challenging to dictate how others should behave online, as they are not obligated to follow anyone. Unfortunately, any blame or criticism will ultimately be directed towards me. I could elaborate further, but I will leave it at that. May God bless you. Ndinofanira kutukwa ndinyerere. Hapana anofanira kundirwira. Hapana anofanira kuopoza. Hapana anofanira kupindura. Hapana zvewandotuma kuti andirwire. Zvese zvinofanira kuitirwa nekuitika kwandiri. Ndichatakura mutoro wacho ndoupenyu wacho. I have since stopped retaliating long time ago, but arrows keep coming my way. I'm on my knees. I am broken. So amaitete vari kuti veduwe regai kuramba muchivarwira nekuti by the end of the day ndivo vane zita that is on the line uye vachange vachibashwa left, right and center. This is no joke guys. Vanhu vanovenga munhu kusvika mubhonzo chaimo. Unoshaya kuti munhu anenge ambotadzirwa chii chaizvo chekuti auregerere munhu always kudzingirira munhu. Vanhu musadaro wedwe. Unoona vanhu vachipfeka mauniform vachienda kuchechi vobvapo voya papublic kuzotuka kunyomba nezvimwe zvakadaro. Guys, remember, hakuna munhu asingatadze pasi pano. Please be kind. Ukangoziva kuti zvako ndezvenyasha mura, unochengetwa nedenga, unosekerera kangani kwakavazama vachikutadza. It is well that you've recognized the importance of not retaliating and instead choosing to focus on your own affairs, even when faced with unwarranted criticism. And I appreciate your vulnerability in sharing this with us. It is truly admirable. Maitete, you are the best Zimbabwean lady on social media, including even the Zim ones abroad. The others are okay, but you beat them all. You also the best amongst most non-Zimbabwean content on social media. That is all you are being fought for. Anyway, I hope my comment will not add more fuel to the fire. Most of us just love you. The ones for you are much more than those against you. Grace iri pamuri yakawandisa maitete, saka siyai vaite zvavanoita, regai varangane asi zvichakona. Social media platforms attract all kinds of people. However, evil people do not go for holiday. Neither do they take a rest until they send you back to your creator before your time. Take it, those with the spirit of God, they don't know hatred. Even Jesus Christ faced persecution from the people he helped. You are human. You have emotions. You can react when provoked. You have a right to defend yourself. Fans should stop dragging you in the mud. Never give the enemy your energy and satisfaction. Not all battles are worth fighting. Let the living God Jehovah intervene and stay blessed. We are touched by this message. I want you to know that it truly touched me. I feel your pain deeply, maybe more than I can even put into words, because I'm also going through my own battles right now, and I'm broken too. Your strength in speaking up with honesty and dignity is something I admire so much. You've always stood tall, and I know how hard that can be when it feels like the world is pushing you down. Please know that even if we don't really say much or we don't see you, we hear you, we care deeply. And even though you've asked us not to defend you, I hope you still allow us to quietly walk beside you in support, in prayer, and in love. We are sending love and light. Your light is being so bright, hence the attacks. Stay strong, even in the silence and brokenness. They say, when we are weak and on our knees, that is when we are at our strongest. When we can't stand for ourselves, a stronger force stands for us. May the Lord give you strength as he has always done. May you fight your battles. Tinofarira strength yenyu mami. Keep shining. And hapana chakaipa chichakuwiraye. So all these comments are coming from my netizens. Nesuwa tichingoti hapana chakaipa chichakuwiraye. You are going to stand tall. And it is a good thing. It is a very noble thing to ask for forgiveness. Regai vane simba vaite zvavanoda, varishandise simba nenzira yavanoda. But iwewe, if you realize kuti this thing will drag forever and ever, aiwa kungoti sorry todarika zvinenge zvakangonaka. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do leave your comments on what you think. Tine page ritaratavura Rema Novels. Please guys, pop in, give a comment, like, subscribe to grow that community. And thank you guys. We are on our road to 30,000. Tinosvika chete.